Good morning. Today is 20 October 2010. Yesterday I bought this Nikon D90 body, and also I bought together with this lens, this prime lens, Nikkor lens. It's AF Nikkor 50mm. F-stop is 1.8D. So I will unbox first the main body. So I bought this one in Dubai, worth 2,700 dirham, and this one is 435 dirham. So we have this documents, quick guide, manual, and there is also a CD. So inside this box we have this charger, cable for charger. So this one we will plug on the wall. This USB, mini USB, to insert in the camera, and USB for the normal USB for the computer. This is the battery. EL3E Nikon 7.4 volts, 1500 milliamperes, 12 watts, lithium ion. This is audio video. You can insert this one to your TV, and this one in your camera. This one eyepiece cover. And lastly, we have this Nikon strap. This is the Nikon strap. Now we will so here, this is the camera body. Okay, this is the camera body, Nikon D90. It's made in Thailand. Nikon Corporation, Japan, made in Thailand. Very nice. This is my new Nikon D90 body. Now we will unbox my new Nikkor lens. It's 50mm f1.8D. This is service facilities. This Nikon Worldwide Service Warranty. User's manual. This is a lot of dialect, but we are interested only in the English one. So, see, this is made in China. Made in China. It is written here is 750 dirhams, but I bought it in 435 in Bardawari. So this is the lens. Nikon 50mm 1:1.8. There is a aperture here 1.8 to 22. Actually, this ultraviolet cover, I bought it separately yesterday, so I already fixed it. This there's a thread on it, so you can rotate this one to remove or to fix. Okay, this is my new Nikon lens 50mm 1.8. I will fix this one, okay? We will now fix the lens into the camera. So first, we will there is a little bit charge in this battery, so we'll fix this one. How to remove this one? Okay. Fix it here. Push it there. Okay, so we can now fix this. Removing this one cover and removing this body cover. See, look at this guide. This white color and white color mark, and this mark also. So I'm fixing this one, this point, and this point as a line. Okay. Okay. Switch on. That's it. This is my new Nikon D90 and Nikkor lens 50mm 1.8.